Good evening from beautiful Santorini. We're here with Karen Tran Floral Experience. We're very, very happy and very proud that we're hosting this on the beautiful hotel of Roccabella. We have 23 participants from all around the world, event planners, florists, event designers, who have come to Santorini to experience Karen Tran's technique to help us build this amazing setup using 1.5 tons of flowers shipped in all the way from Ecuador and Holland. We've had the opportunity to exchange ideas with Karen, with some amazing speakers from different countries who have shared their knowledge and passion about weddings and about working with a lot of flowers. We've had 12 different companies participating from Greece. It's been an effort, it's been work that we've been doing for over 12 months. We're all very proud and we're all very happy to be here and to celebrate with all these amazing people. Thank you very much.